Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the Rowenta DR8080 powerful handheld steamer. If you want more information, please start the video. Features. It is yet another excellent powerful handheld steamer that gives you wrinkle-free clothes in no time. It brings some amazing features that make it worth considering. Easy to handle. Its ergonomic design is the first feature that makes it unique. It comes in only 2.2 pounds weight and with a comfortable handle to promote a pleasant experience. Large steam head. With its wide steam head and different modes, it can provide maximum steam distribution. The Soleplate is made of stainless steel that conducts better heat and provides a quick and even results. Easy storage. Amazingly designed body of this steamer has a chair hanger and stable base, so you can store it anywhere you want. Steam trigger. It comes with a steam trigger and a built-in switch to give continuous steam and often bursts according to your need. Powerful flow. With 1500 watt power, it can deliver 22 grams/minute steam flow, making it one of the most efficient steamers on the market. Clearly understandable why it can steam long 10 minutes without interruption. Pros: 1500 watts of power with 22 grams/minute to steam and ready to use in 45 seconds. 6.76 ounces tank directly from the sink and steam for up to 10 minutes continuously. Any type of fabric can dewrinkle and sanitize. A comfortable handle provides enjoyable steaming. Cons. With 7 steam holes, steaming could be inconsistent.